The world is waiting for you to soar high in your career. So, what do you want to become? Do you want to be an engineer like your neighbor? Or a designer like your favorite Instagram influencer? Or do you want to be an inspiration figure like your father? Or stand for what's right? Maybe you want to become the voice of the downtrodden. Maybe you want to find the cure for cancer. The world has limitless possibilities. It is up to you to find your best version, because there isn't another one like you. Your best version will always give you the edge. But how? When you become your best version, you can keep up with the ever-evolving world. We are in the throes of the fourth industrial revolution, the digital age, where AI is replacing humans and cloud data is teaching machines to be smarter. 75 million existing jobs will be replaced by 133 million new roles. Analytical thinking, innovation and active learning are becoming increasingly important. And this is not going to happen some 100 years later, but by 2022. How will you be future ready? How will you become the best version of yourself? You deserve a place that will take your ambition, drive, belief, aspiration and attitude higher. You deserve a place that will take you a degree higher. At UPES, our purpose is to help you become a specialist.
We offer 150 plus specializations supported with global exposure, cutting-edge technologies and creative learning. In a modern campus spread over 44 acres, set on the foothills of the Himalayas, surrounded by great landscape, amazing weather and with safe and secure facilities, you can learn and explore. At UPES, across all programs, get an edge with Learning Plus. Get immersive AI and ML experience. Learn design thinking powered by IBM. And access free 3800 plus global courses from top international institutions on Coursera. Get an edge with global exposure. Go for free 4-week study abroad program and avail 50% scholarship for PG programs in academic partner institutes in UK, Europe, USA, Canada. Get an edge with industry-aligned learning through courses co-developed and co-delivered by IBM, Exebia, Cisco, L&T among others. Get the edge with UConnect, a unique alumni initiative which offers placement support for up to 5 years after graduation, incubation, funding and workspace support, and 35% scholarship for post-graduation at our Global Academic Partner Institute. With our 8th School of Excellence, it's time to transform your dreams into reality.
School of Business. The corporate world is waiting for the next Indira Nooyi, and it can be you. At our School of Business, we prepare students with integrated learning programs in digital marketing, financial analysis, auto marketing, foreign trade, tourism and hospitality, banking and insurance, e-commerce marketing, analytics and big data.